Hello there, this is Eric with myinsuranceclaims.org, and I'm going to show you how claims professional can submit a bid on a claim that they wish to service. So make sure that you're logged into the website as a claims professional to get to those options. So I made a search on the website and I found a claim that I'm interested in servicing. It's car financed is a lemon, so let's click on it. Once you're on the claims detail page, you will see on the right hand side a submit a bid button. Let's click, and here you have a pop-up window that comes up. First thing you want to do is to enter the value of your bid, which can be expressed in monetary value with a dollar sign, or here you have a drop down. You can also express it in percentage. So let's say that with this claim I'm willing to service it for 14% of the proceeds. That's just an example. The next field is how soon can I start servicing this claim. Let's say I can work on it within 2 days. The next field is for me to upload any type of document that I want to communicate with the claimant. It could be my bio, could be my contract. Just note that anything that you upload here is public and is going to be seen on the website unless the claim has been entered by the claimant as sealed bidding. In this case, no one can see whatever you upload, or no one can see your bid except for the claimant. That's an important fact. So the next field here, I can type any type of message that I want the claimant to receive. Could be explaining the way I work, or anything that I want to communicate along with my bid. The last field here is a checkbox that you have to check, otherwise you cannot place your bid, and it certifies that as a claim professional you can service this claim as, where, and when described in the listing. So this is checked. Let's place my bid. Once your bid has been placed, you get a success message here that says your proposal has been sent, and you get a confirmation of the type of bid that you just sent. In this case here, it's 14%.